Leon was so bored with our hangout today.
Oh, I made... No,
Really,
stop.
this is really
May idea ako.
idea.
Pwede natin gawing topping dito.
Isang ganun lang tapos ikaw nauubos.
Ayoko nga.
He is actually opening.
Oh, fuck. Ayun na siya.
Uy! Stop it.
Okay, so... finger. Finger? Ang tayo.
Frances, ito yung ginawa.
Kakain ko na. 3, 2, 1.
Wait. Oh!
Oh.
Wait. I need to be emotionally prepared. Explain the situation. And he had this great idea to bring energy into this hangout by making everybody eat cat food.
3.
Right.
Cheers. No, oh my god.
That's actually making me gag. Ugh.
Bad.
No! Ugh.
Amoy.
Lasang,
Lasang amoy isda.
Shit.
lasang rain.
Shut up. Shut up.
Sige, next topping natin dito. Ang pinihingan.
May isa pa para hindi ka mas...
Gusto mo pa?
Complimentary daw siya.
It's actually making me gag.
Ayun. Ano mo dyan?
Ito ba, ganito ba nabubuo ang friendship?
It's not that bad.
Anong klaseng pagkain kinakain mo?
Nasa isda.
For you to think, no, fish is supposed to be fresh.
It's
This
not,
doesn't
it's not
fresh.
fresh. It's not fresh.
No, sobrang lang.
Isa pa kasi.
Isa pa.
No,
Isa pa. Sabi mo
Isa pa
isa
sa inyo.
isa pa.
Sabi mo isa pa.
I'm stopping up. I swear to God, I'm gonna barf. I am gonna barf.
Damn.
Yes.
Well, hindi siya, pero hindi mo naman siya makainin everyday.
Kasi sardinas na hindi niluto.
Ba't mo alam?
Parang rino nga na parang nalagay na sa ref ng ilang
Rino? Sama naman ang galing sa Rino. Masarap pa rin yun kahit
Rino na
wala
may
nang laman.
sardina.
Dude, pili ko nandito pa rin siya. Ayaw niyo ba? Ayaw niyo ba?
This is the best 24 pesos I've ever spent.
Ay, nice.
Ang takip ko naman.
Abot mo.
Lalapit ko yung kadiri.
Ew. Do not get to
Closing remarks ka ba yun?
Closing remarks.
Ah.
Nagdadalawang isip ako kung bakit kita nagkikaibigan.
Okay, sige.
Same.